Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you why the Tape King anti-slip tape is an absolute necessity, especially for us living in Canada. The Tape King anti-slip tape, it's 4 inches wide and it's 30 feet long in this roll. It is so easy to install. You measure out your surface that you need to be covered and you literally just cut it with scissors. The adhesion is extremely strong, so you know that it's going to last. It's easy to install and it's got an 80 grit durability to it. And all you do is remove the white backing, start it from a corner and place it down and then just press it into place and it is there to stay. I used it on my top stairs and I used it outside as I live in Canada, and we are slowly getting into winter. So if you're like me and live where we have winters, this is an absolute necessity. Indoor, outdoor, you put it down, it gives you traction, anti-slip. It is definitely something that we all should have in our homes, and that's my point of view.